Good to see you. What's up, YouTubers? It's Matt from Keystone Experience. Back up here on the roof, trying to get the last of the roof flashing done here. Beautiful Saturday. We got a lot of rain this week. It's sort of the last little piece to kind of be 100% dried in. I've been doing all sorts of odds and ends today, and thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Buenos dias.
Hello.
Hey.
Make a table.
All right. Oh, now look at this table. Wow.
Make a little table on the first house.
Wow. First meal in the new house.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The- What do you call this?
Sí, quesadillas.
Quesadillas.
Sí.
Oh.
When it's very cooked, fried.
Good morning. Saturday morning. Matt from Keystone Experience. Getting ready to start painting, priming the painting. You can see the sheetrock's all done. And we're gonna put some primer on. We got 20 gallons of primer right there. There's another 5 gallons upstairs. And then in here's the painting room. Laying out all the painting supplies. Give you a little quick tour. There's the wall and trim paint. Paint brushes, paint cans, masking taping, tons of rollers, and rollers. Good work, Emma.
Hey, you're blocking my light. Hey. It doesn't really go in.
That's good enough.
What?
Painter Pro there with the white outfit.
Yep.
Hey Ellen, what you doing?
Woo! Paint in the closet. In the dark.
It's 6:30 p.m. on Saturday. The work week's almost over. I've got one more room to do. For tonight. Goal is to have this wrapped up by a week from today. Despite having to fly to North Carolina on Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, but try to wrap this wall up. Ceiling, room, dining room.